In this video, we will show you how to replace your air ride level sensor. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you need to do is make your way into the trunk and turn off your air ride suspension switch. Once you've done that, you're going to want to safely raise and support the vehicle so you can get underneath. From under the vehicle, we'll come right over to the air ride level sensor. Use a small prying device and carefully get in between this area to separate it. Now we can make our way up to the electrical connector. Squeeze the tab, lift this up and off, give it a quick check for corrosion, and set it aside. Continue on with a 13mm to remove each of your mounting bolts. Remove the sensor. All right, friends, let's get ready for our installation. Put the level sensor in position and start in both of your mounting bolts. Torque each of these mounting bolts to 18 foot-pounds. Connect your wiring harness. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's secured. Now we can connect this in. Give it a wiggle to make sure that's secured. Make your way into the trunk. Put your air suspension in the on position. Go ahead and shut your trunk.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.